So our next topic will focus on how to design a template and then use it to generate a slide. We can give it a name, assign it to a group, and also adjust the dimensions. You can add a new file by clicking on the plus symbol. We can choose between one of the media files we dragged in, a text box, a shape, a RSS feed, and Pixabay. First of all, I would like to use a cool background, and for that I am going to use Pixabay. To make it look more like a background, we can also use the shape functionality. Here on the right you will always find your object settings. We can change the color, for example, and adjust the transparency. If you sell coffee, you could add the price list by creating a text element. One for the coffee offers and one for the price. To ensure that the two text boxes are lined up, you have to adjust the Y position in the settings. Just compare it to the first text box, and both of them will have the same height if you entered the same number. As you know, we can individualize our content even more here on the right. So let's change the color a little bit. We can even add a cool animation. Let's go with a fade-in animation that should appear after 1 second, and for the duration I've selected 2 seconds because I want the fade-in to be smooth. Let's see what it looks like. This slide is only for a small showcase, but here you can see how a slide can look if you want to work more than 1 to 3 minutes on it. In order to generate a slide out of a template, just right-click on it and then select Create Slide. Using a template like this can save you a lot of time. The good thing is that when you change something in the template, every slide that you create from the template will incorporate these changes. Another way to create a slide is to go into the template designer, select the object, and then activate this checkbox. You will now be able to edit the objects in the slide without changing anything else.